Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'll be mentioning some of the best cheap rugged devices of 2022. The smartphones mentioned in this video are based on personal opinion. If you know of any rugged smartphone that you think is amazing but at the same time very cheap and it's not among the smartphones that I'll be mentioning in this video, make sure to share in the comment section below. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, these are some of the best cheap rugged devices. So what are your thoughts about these rugged devices mentioned? Make sure to share in the comment section below. The rugged phones mentioned in this video are some of the best, not the best, some of the best affordable rugged devices. Okay, so there are lots of other rugged devices that are very nice and are very cheap. Anyway, thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.